Hello everyone. In this video we will derive all these formulas which are written here. So let us see how we derive. First I want to introduce some basics of trigonometry. So in the trigonometry there is a 190-degree angle triangle. So this is called base, this is called perpendicular and this is called hypotenuse. And the ratio of the perpendicular and base is known as the tan, and this is the angle theta, this is the tan theta. The ratio of the perpendicular and the hypotenuse is known as the sin theta, and the ratio of the base and the hypotenuse is known as the cos theta, and the reciprocal of the tan theta is the cot theta, and reciprocal of the cos theta is known as the secant theta, and reciprocal of the sin theta is known as the cosecant theta. And these are the basics. So first I will derive this formula, this set of formula I will derive. So first I want to tell you one, it is very important theorem. This is the Pythagoras theorem. In the Pythagoras theorem there is a 190-degree angle triangle, and this is the base, perpendicular and hypotenuse, and the relation of all these uh, sides is like this: h square is equal to p square plus b square. So you have to remember this only and you will drive everything. These formulas you will drive. And first you have to there are three terms, means hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. So first you have to choose one, means you have to select this hypotenuse and divide both sides. So I will divide both sides by h square. So see what happen. H square by h square equal to p square by h square plus b square by h square, and we can cancel h by h, and it is equal to p by h square plus b by h square. Actually in such type of cases we can take common, means b by h, we can keep it in this way. So what is p by h? P by h, this is sine, and b by h is cos. So I can write it in this way: equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. This is the first formula I have derived. So again I will take this. This is my second formula. I can write it here. That is the first formula. This is the second formula. I will write same thing again. H square is equal to p square plus b square. In the first formula I have selected this h, but now I will select the second term, that is p. So h square by p square equal to p square by p square plus b square by p square. Okay, then what is h by p? See, h by p, this, that is cosecant. I already told you that this is the reciprocal of a sine, and h by p is cosecant square theta. I can cancel p with p, it is 1. And what is b by p? I can make this triangle again. This is the theta, this is perpendicular, base, hypotenuse, and what is b over p? B over p, that p over b is a tan theta, and b over p is a cot theta, cot square theta. This is my second formula. Now I have to derive my third formula. So I will again write this same equation. This equation is h square equal to p square plus b square. I have already divided with h and p. Now I will divide it with b. Now it is h square by b square plus p square equal to p square by b square plus b square by b square. Now what is this? H over b square equal to p by b square plus 1. Now what is h over b? I can again make a triangle here. This is perpendicular hypotenuse base theta. And what is h over b? H over b. It is, this is b and this is h. B over h, that is the cos theta. Now it is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is the secant theta. Now it is the secant square theta equal to, what is p by b? P by b, that is tan square theta plus 1. Now this is my third formula. I hope you have understood all this stuff. Now I am shifting to the another formulas. Now I will derive sine a plus b formula, and in this set there are four formulas. I will derive in a single shot, and I have to first I want to tell you one thing, that is the de Moivre's theorem. And the de Moivre's theorem is, if I write exponential iota x, then the value of this is equal to cos x plus iota sin x. I will prove this, because I have to use this to drive all these formulas. So I will I will take this side and I will prove this is equal to this, and I take it as y, that is cos x plus iota sin x. I have to differentiate it, dy by dx, it is equal to, the differentiation of this is equal to sin x plus iota cos x. And you know what is the meaning of I? That is square root 1. And I can write minus 1 equal to I square. So I am replacing this minus with this, dy by dx is equal to minus, I can write in a direct way, iota square sin x plus iota cos x. Now I am taking this iota common, iota sin x plus cos x. I am rearranging these terms, iota cos x, iota sin x. Now you can see that again it is y. See, this is y. And now dy by dx is equal to, what is dy by dx? That it is equal to iota y. Now I have to integrate it and calculate the value of y. That is dy by dx equal dy equal to iota x. sorry, this is not dy by y, and I have to integrate it, and this is the log y and iota x plus k constant, and y is equal to exponential iota x plus k. Now I have to calculate the value of k. I have to calculate the value of this k. If I substitute x is equal to 0 in this, x equal to 0, if I have to substitute, then I get y equal to 1. See, same thing I have to do. I have to substitute x equal to 0 and y it is equal to 1, means exponential uh, iota into 0 plus k. Now what is it is equal to 1 equal to exponential k. I am taking log from both sides and I will get the value of k. It is equal to log 0 equal to k, sorry, log 1 equal to k, and log 1 is equal to 0, so k is equal to 0. So my y is equal to exponential iota x, and it is equal to, I have to, here I have proved the de Moivre's theorem, and it is equal to uh, cos x plus iota sin x. So I will use this equation in my further derivations. So if I write what exponential iota a, then I have to write what it is, this side is equal to cos a plus iota sin a, and I am writing one more equation by using this de Moivre's theorem. This is exponential iota b equal to cos b plus iota sin b. Now I will multiply both the sides. The left hand side is equal to exponential iota a into exponential iota b, and the right hand side is equal to cos a plus iota sin a cos b plus iota sin b, and here you can see the base is same, so I can clubbing both terms. I can write this as iota a plus b, and it is equal to, I have to multiply both the sides, cos a cos b plus cos a iota sin b plus iota sin a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now I can write this side as cos a plus b plus iota sin a plus b, and this is equal to cos a cos b, and I am actually, first I will write the real part, and minus sin a sin b. This is also real part, this is also real, and here you can see this is the imaginary part iota, and here is also imaginary. So I am taking iota common. It is cos a sin b plus sin a cos b. And if I separate these real and imaginary parts, then what I will get, then it is equal to cos a plus b equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And what is sin A plus B? It is equal to cos A sin B plus sin A cos B. So here I have derived two more formulas. Two formulae I have derived, and now I will derive cos A minus B and sin A minus B. Now I will derive these formulas, and here it is B. If I replace it into minus B, then what I will get? Cos A plus minus B. I am replacing this with minus B. Then what I will get? Cos A cos minus B minus sin A sin minus B. Now I want to tell you one thing. Here I want to discuss one thing with you. See, actually, if I go this anti-clockwise, then goes in this direction. Then what is minus B? This is the minus angle, means minus. I can say this is theta. Now I will tell you how to handle this minus inside. This is the theta. I can consider it is equal to r. Means I am taking separate. This is the r, and this is the x direction, and this is the y direction. And what is the cos theta? What is the cos theta here? You can see x in positive direction. This is x. This is the base. Actually, uh, base is attached with this angle. So and x y r. This is the, so x is the positive. This is the positive. So cos will be the positive. And what will be sine? Sine theta. See, actually, sine is equal to y by r, and this is the x. This is the y direction. This is the y direction, and this is the y negative direction. This is the y negative direction, and this is the y negative. Y is negative, r is positive. Then sine will be, sine theta will be negative. Cos theta will be positive. So I will use this thing, and cos A plus B, sorry, cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. And if I actually substitute B equal to A, then what I will get? B equal to A. Then here cos A minus A equal to cos square A plus sin square A. Cos A minus A, it is equal to 0. Cos 0 means 1. I am getting the first formula which I have derived. Cos square A plus sin square A. This is the first formula I have derived, and I am getting the same formula again. And now I have to derive what is this sin A minus B. What is the sin A minus B? Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And I am again using the same thing. Sin plus minus B sin A cos minus b plus cos a sin minus b. It is a sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus c. Actually sin minus b means minus sin b. Now it is cos a sin b. This is another formula. If I actually substitute b equal to a, then what I will get? Sin a minus a equal to sin a cos a sin a. It is cancelled, and here what I will get? Sin 0. Then it is 0. Actually we use actually sin 0 is equal to 0. We have proved by using these formulas, and now I have to prove two more formulas, that is sin 2a and cos 2a. Now I will derive these formulas. So what is sin a plus b? It is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. If I substitute b equal to a, then what I will get? I will get sin 2a equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sorry cos a sin a. It is equal to 2 sin a cos a. This is the formula sin 2a. Now I will try the second formula. This, what is cos a plus b? Cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. If I substitute b equal to a, then I will get cos 2a and cos square a minus sin square a. This is the another formula. I can substitute it like cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1. If I substitute, I can derive two more formulas. Means just substitute cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. I will get cos 2a equal to 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a means 1 minus 2 sin square a. This is another formula for cos 2a. And if I substitute sin square a, then I will get another formula, but you people have to derive it by yourself. So my next formula I have to derive tan theta, tan a plus b. What is sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. If I divide both, see actually what is a sine? Sine theta, it is equal to uh, perpendicular over hypotenuse. What is cos? theta, it is equal to base over hypotenuse. If I divide sine theta by cos theta, then what I will get? P over H into B over H, P over H into B over H. Ultimately, I will get P over B. This is actually tan theta. So same thing I have to use here. So I will divide these both the sides. I will get sine A plus B by cos A plus B, and I will get tan A plus B. What is the right hand side? That is, it is equal to sine A plus sine A cos B plus cos A sin B by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and tan A plus B equal to this. I am dividing denominator and numerator with this. Then what I will get? Sin A plus B, sin A cos B by cos A cos B plus cos A sin B by cos A cos B, cos A cos B by cos A cos B minus sin A sin B by cos A cos B. Then what I will get? See, this is, I can cancel this, I can cancel this, I can cancel these both, and here I cannot cancel anything in this, and tan A plus B is equal to sin by cos. I have already proved that it is tan A plus sin B by cos B, tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. I have proved another formula, and I want to ask you to calculate uh, tan A minus B. It is very easy and you can calculate it by yourself, and you can also calculate tan to 2A. So I am not driving these formulas here because I have already discussed. So this video will be very lengthy. Now I want to drive CD formulae. And what is sine A plus B? It is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sine A minus B. What is this? It is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now I have to write a next formula, that is cos A plus B. It is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is cos A minus B? It is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. I have already proved these formulas. but I have to use these formulas to derive CD formula. It is very easy, and first I will select these two formula, and I will add the both the formulas. What is sine A plus B? Sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. What I will get? These terms will be cancelled out, and I will get 2 sine A cos B. And if I substitute A plus B equal to C, A minus B equal to D, then if I add both the sides, then what I will get? I will get 2A, this B and B will cancel out, and it is equal to C plus D. And what is the value of A? It is equal to C plus D by 2. You got it? And if I take A plus B equal to C, A minus B equal to D, if I subtract both sides, and I will get 2B equal to C minus D, and B is equal to C minus D by 2. So I have to use these things. So I have to substitute here. But is A plus C, it is equal to C. Sine C plus sine D, it is equal to 2 sine C plus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. I have derived the next formula. And if I subtract both the formula, then what I will get? I will get sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. Then actually these things will be cancelled out, and I will get 2 cos A sine B. 2 cos A sine B. Again I will substitute A plus B equal to C. Sine C plus sine D, it is equal to 2. What is what is A? A is equal to C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2. What is B? C minus D by 2. Sine C minus D by 2. This is my another formula. And now actually I took two formulas and I have completed this. Now I will take these two formulas and I will do the same. Now what is cos A plus B? It is equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Now I will add both the sides. Then what I will get? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, it is equal to 2. This portion will be cancelled out and this portion will be added. This part of the equation will be added, and the 2 cos A cos B. And what is A plus B? It is again equal to C. Cos C plus cos D, and is equal to 2. What is cos A? cos, what is cos A? Cos A equal to, it is equal to C plus D by 2. And what is cos B? What is B actually? It is equal to C minus D by 2. Done. This is another formula. And now I will subtract both the equations. Now what I will get? Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. It is equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. Now again cos C C minus cos D, it is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. It is very easy. Thank you very much.